Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. Today, I'm excited to take a closer look at the Peerless kitchen faucet. I've been using this faucet for a few months now, and I'm really impressed with its features and performance. Let's start with the unboxing. The faucet arrived well packaged and included all the necessary hardware for installation. The first thing that struck me was the sleek, modern design. The stainless steel finish looks great and complements any kitchen style. 1.8 GPM, 6.8L, min. Compliant with California and Vermont low lead legislation. Water efficient product meeting Cal Green standards. Easy installation, designed to fit 4-hole, 8-inch configurations. Lifetime limited warranty. You can install with confidence, knowing Peerless kitchen faucets are backed by the Peerless Lifetime Limited ADA compliance when installed properly. Warranty, durability. Peerless faucets are not just stylish, they're also built to last. They're made from high-quality materials and undergo rigorous testing to ensure durability and reliability. The water flow is strong and consistent, and the spray patterns are versatile. The pull-down sprayers are smooth and easy to use, and the touch-activated sensors are responsive and accurate. Installation and maintenance. Installing a Peerless faucet is a straightforward process, thanks to their clear instructions and easy-to-follow steps. Once installed, maintaining your Peerless faucet is simple. Regular cleaning with mild soap and water is all that's needed to keep it looking its best. Pros and cons. Pros: stylish designs, high-quality construction, versatile features, easy to install and maintain, wide range of finishes. Cons: can be more expensive than some other brands. Any taste. While they may be a bit more expensive than some other brands, the quality and performance are worth the investment. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or experiences with Peerless faucets, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and reviews.